First, we are importing the component Decorator from the Angular core library. This decorator is essential for defining a new component in Angular. Now we use the @component decorator to annotate our ClickMe component class. The selector app ClickMe will be used to insert this component into the HTML template. The template property contains the HTML for our component, which, in this case, is a button element with a click event listener. Here we define the ClickMe component class and the handleClick method within it. When the button is clicked, Angular's event binding calls this method, which then logs the message button clicked. To the console. Exploring the template, we come across the click directive. This is Angular's syntax to bind the click event of our button to the handleClick method. Looking at the handleClick method, it's a simple class method that doesn't receive any parameters. When executed, it performs the action of logging text to the console, signifying that the button has been clicked. This line of code is the actual HTML for the button displayed to the user. When the user clicks this button, the handleClick method is triggered because of the click event binding we've established.